Hello, students. Today we are again here with a new chapter, Constitutional Designs, that talks about the making of Indian Constitution. We know that the constitution of a country is actually a set of written rules that are accepted by the people who are living together in a country as the citizen of that country. So this chapter basically talks about the making of Indian constitution. We know that the constitution makers of our country already formed a body known as the Constituent Assembly before making India free. In July 1946, there were elections for electing the members of that Constituent Assembly. After that, from December 1946, the constitution making was started by the Constituent Assembly, and even the Constituent Assembly members also made a drafting committee headed by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, which ultimately completed the making of the constitution on 26 November 1949, and it finally came into effect on 26 January 1950. All the rules, regulations, policies, articles, each and everything that is included in the constitution, they all were hotly debated by the Constituent Assembly members, and ultimately they all were finalized by the drafting committee. Even when the drafting committee presented the final draft of the constitution, it again took many days and many changes took place before finalizing the constitution. Now we will talk about the guiding values of the Indian Constitution. First of all, the Constituent Assembly members and the constitution makers, they adopted many ideas from the different countries' constitutions, like from France, from Britain, from Russia, and from USA. Finally, our constitution was implemented on 26 January 1950. We have to talk a little bit about the preamble of the constitution, that is also called as the soul of the constitution. Yes, the preamble of the constitution, which should be read like a poem, it contains the philosophy on which the entire constitution has been built. It starts with we, the people of India. It also commemorates the inclusion of all the common people of India for running our country. So, the Indian Constitution ultimately makes India as a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic country. They are the values of the Constitution, which are also called as the philosophy of the Constitution. Right to liberty, right to equality, right to fraternity, right to justice, they all are the guiding rights and the fundamental rights that is ensured to each and every citizen of the country by our constitution. So here is the page of the preamble that all of us must remember in our minds forever. So that's it for the day. We'll meet very soon with some new topic and new chapter. Till then,